I was gifted this adjustable gold oval cubic zirconia tennis bracelet, and I have to say, it's one of the most elegant yet effortlessly wearable pieces I own. The oval shaped CZ stones sparkle like fine diamonds and give the bracelet a soft, luxurious look that's perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. It's crafted with 9 to 5 sterling silver and finished in 14 karat gold. So it has that real gold shine without the hefty price tag. The adjustable slider is a game changer. It fits my wrist perfectly and would work for almost any size comfortably. Lightweight and dainty, I barely notice I'm wearing it until someone compliments it. If you're looking for a meaningful, high quality gift for your wife, mom, or girlfriend, this bracelet feels far more expensive than it is. Honestly, it's the kind of gift that looks like you spent hundreds, but you didn't. Truly a timeless piece she'll treasure.